Now look at this brochure. This brochure has an attractive layout. Here, colorful shapes are inserted. Paragraph styles have been applied. Other effects have also been applied. Let's learn to design a professional looking brochure like this one. In this exercise, you will enhance the level 2 brochure. Define a paragraph style and apply it to a paragraph. Change the text and shape color using the swatches panel. Draw a shape using the pen tool and apply color using the swatches panel. Draw a shape using the pen tool and make it a text box. Place an RTF file in the text box. Wrap text around a shape using the text wrap option. Export the file as JPEG format. You can use the paragraph styles panel to create, name and apply paragraph styles to entire paragraphs. Styles are saved with a document and display in the panel each time you open that document. To define a paragraph style, select the Paragraph Styles panel. Click the Create New Style icon at the bottom left corner. You will see the Paragraph Style 1 has been created. Double-click on it. The Paragraph Style Options window is displayed. Give a name to the style, say My Paragraph Style. Now, we'll define a style. For this, click the Indents and Spacing option and specify text alignment as Left Justify. Click the Hyphenation option and uncheck the Hyphenate Last Word checkbox. Now select the Drop Caps and Nested Style option and specify the required settings. Click OK. To apply a paragraph style, click in a paragraph or select all the part of the paragraph to which you want to apply the style. Click the My Paragraph Style in the Paragraph Styles panel. Minimize the panel. Apply a style to all the paragraphs in a similar way. Click the Layers panel and then select the New Layer button at the bottom of the panel. A new layer is created. Drag the newly created layer at the bottom of the text layer and then rename it. Minimize the panel. Now, we will draw a shape using the pen tool. Select Pen tool from the Tools bar. Position the pen tool where you want the curve to begin and hold down the mouse button. The first anchor point appears and drag to set the slope of the curve segment you are creating and then release the mouse button. In general, extend the direction line about 1/3 of the distance to the next anchor point you plan to draw. You can adjust one or both sides of the direction line later. Click the center anchor point and close the shape. You can adjust the curve using Direct Selection tool from the Tools bar and adjust the curves. First, we need to apply a color to a shape using the Swatches panel. Click the Swatches panel and select the desired color from the list. Minimize the panel. Now click the Drop Shadow button on the Control panel. Similarly, insert other shapes with suitable colors and effects. Now, we want to clear the About Us text frame. For this, from the Edit menu, click the Clear option. You can see the text frame is deleted. Now, draw an appropriate shape using the Pen tool. Select the Type tool from the Tools bar and double-click inside the shape to make it a text frame. Instead of having to type everything in InDesign, you can also place TXT, RTF or Microsoft Word files into your frames or shapes. From the File menu, click Place. In the displayed window, browse to the desired text file and click Open. This automatically inserts text in your text frame or shapes. Make the appropriate changes in the paragraph. You can position text around the objects or graphics. Arrange the object which is to be wrapped in front of the text frame. First, draw a shape using the Pen tool. Select the object. From the Window menu, click Text Wrap. The Text Wrap panel is opened. You can see various buttons at the top of the panel. Let's click the Wrap Around Object Shape button. Now, close the panel. Now, we make appropriate changes in our design. Remove the stroke from the shape. Scale the shape using the Selection tool. Click the Pages panel and double-click 2. The second page of the document is opened. Minimize the panel. Finally, change the color of the text. You can change the view of your document. Click the Screen Mode button on the application bar and then select the Preview mode. Preview mode displays the area that is inside the page boundaries. You can create the JPEG format for document sharing or viewing. From the File menu, click Export. In the displayed window, click the Save as Type list arrow and select JPEG. Click Save. This opens the Export JPEG window. From the Quality drop-down box, select High and then click Export. The preview of the JPEG is opened. You can preview the next page by clicking on the Next button in Windows Photo Viewer. In this assignment, you have learned to create a professional-looking brochure using InDesign. In the process, you have learned to define a paragraph style, apply a paragraph style, draw a shape using the pen tool and apply color, place an RTF file in a text box, wrap text around a shape, export a file as JPEG format.